up, people? I am Emberon127, and I'm back.
Alright, boys. Let's train to our friend Artyom, who goes right through monsters and anomalies alike. To Artyom. To you! Hell, if not for you, Artyom, would have been shredded like cabbage. You deserve a medal. Or at least some extra ammo. Here, take them. To you, Artyom. To you!
Artyom, you really new to that shit?
See if that shroom vodka knocks him down, huh?
Okay, we've got to check that. To our luck, and to Artyom.
To your health. The vodka kicks everyone's ass, huh?
So tell me, I found out the market's closed down and I'm bored to death sitting here on my ass.
We passed through some kind of invisible wave. We all blacked out. When I came to...
If you're done drinking, go check out the station.
Let me out of the station! What the hell do you care if I leave with that?
I don't care, asshole. But I got my orders.
Are you Artyom? Hey, there's a man at the Black Street waiting for you. He's kind of big and scary. And he doesn't smell good either. Oh, I'll guide you there for one bullet. Thanks, let's go.
You don't really have to give him the bullet. I think he just says like, okay, you thanks, you mean you probably, he does that. So I didn't do that. I just gave him a bullet because I don't know.
Cha-cha! That's him, sitting
Come here. You're Artyom, right? Sit down. Everybody calls me Bourbon. Listen, I need to get to Dry Station for some business, but this rat hole is on lockdown. I, however, know a back way. A so-called cursed passage the locals are afraid to use. But I hear the shit in the tunnels doesn't work on you. So, you help me get to Dry, I'll give you my AK when we get there. Deal? Good. Here's an advance payment in case you need to gear up first. Are you ready? Sitting in this crap hole is useless.
Wow! Did you really come here on a handcar?
Yes, I did.
Wow! I'd love to ride.
Let's go.
Could you give me a bullet? Oh, I really should be going now. Or Uncle Harry.
Их сюда тушки, браво, репатушки. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три, четыре. Их сюда тушки, браво, репатушки. Раз, два, три, четыре. Раз, два, три.
As I entered the abandoned tunnel with Bourbon, I wondered if I'd been wrong to trust him. But the station gates were still sealed, and there was no telling when I would have another chance to leave Riga.
Great, we broke free. Now keep your eyes peeled. The handcar ride is over. Lots of tough guys died in these tunnels. But if we watch each other's backs, we'll get there. That's just a single lurker. They rarely attack groups of people. But if you're alone, watch your ass.
Oh, don't do that. Yeah, that's a secret area you like to go to. I just found that today. Some more shotgun bullets. I really won't recommend you to go here because there's holes. Yeah, watch out for the holes. They're insta-kill. Yeah. Don't like insta-kill things, stay away from the little holes.
Boasted that they'd wipe them out. Now keep your eyes peeled. They won't let us pass freely. Alarm system. Ancient, but quite efficient. If you want to arrive unexpected, try not to disturb the cans. Watch your step. Any crunch or crack will give you away.
Yeah.
Oh, a tripwire! An excellent way to get rid of the blind and daredevils. You get what to do?
I didn't see that. Haha, I'm too smart for you, game. Too smart for you. Ooh.
Quiet. We have guests. Hide in that corner and watch how Underbourbon works. Julia puts Papalamnia. No spasoslia.
Hello! Oh, I hate this shotgun so much. running! Yeah, this game is really hard when... It's really hard. Oh, come on, heal. Oh, no. Where did he come from? He's... Oh, it's right there. Ah! Oh, no. I don't have any health kits now. Great. You little... Eat some lead. Eat your own lead. Here you go. Do you have any on you? Something's on you? No, you don't. Okay, so... Oh, you're right there. He's right there. I don't know if I hit him. Ow! Aimbot. Ah. Come on. Come out there. It's gone. I can remember. Yeah, I can. This game is such a pain. But it's fun. If you can kill them. What's on you? Ah. There we go. need a med kit. Ooh, are you? Oh man. Reload. No med kit? No, you're... Okay.
Our bloody skirmish with the bandits was over. I had expected mutants and monsters, but how many more of my fellow humans would try to kill me before I reached Polis?
The bridge is a nasty place, so here's the plan.
Okay, guys. I'm going to end the video here. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.